On January 15, 1919, a massive tank filled with 2.3 million gallons of molasses burst in Boston's North End, unleashing a tsunami of sticky syrup. The wave, moving at 35 miles per hour, devastated the area, destroying buildings and sweeping people away. The flood was caused by a combination of structural failures and a rapid temperature change that weakened the tank. In the aftermath, 21 people lost their lives and over 150 were injured. This bizarre accident led to significant changes in regulations regarding industrial safety. The Great Molasses Flood remains a peculiar yet poignant reminder of the unexpected consequences of industrialization and the need for strict oversight in urban areas.